Hi, I'm Miss Rosemary from the Fountaindale Public Library, and I'm here with kindergarten math, where we're going to be counting coins and doing fractions. So to me, when you're counting coins, it technically is a fraction. Like, let's use this. This will be included in your kit. So here's a $1 bill. A $1 bill is 100 pennies. So 1 penny is 1/100th of a dollar. Another way for a dollar is 20 nickels. And again, 1 nickel is 1/20th of of 100. Another way for a dollar is 10 dimes. So 1 dime is 1/10. And another way for a dollar is 4 quarters, and that is 1/4 of a dollar. So coins and fractions kind of intersect a little. So also in your kit, you're going to have some play money. And we have, again, like 4 quarters, and 1 quarter is 25 cents. So that's 25 cents. That's 50 cents for 2 quarters, 75 cents for 3 quarters, and $1 for 4 quarters. So it's just different ways you can make a dollar. You'll have 5 pennies. What else is 5 pennies? A nickel. So 5 pennies is a nickel. And again, we talked about pennies. So 1/100th of a dollar is 1 penny. So there's just a little bit of play money you can play with. We also have this fun pizza that you can cut, and I cut one up already. So we're going to use it and make a whole pizza. So each of these triangles, I'm going to take this one out. So I have 1/8 of a whole pizza. So I'm going to take a second one out. So we can call that 2/8 or 1/4 of a whole pizza. So just another way to play with fractions. And I also have, this is a different example. Here's your whole pizza. There's 7/8, 1/8 is missing. So and so on, just different ways to play with fractions. You also have just this sheet that says like 1/8, 2/8 is also a quarter, 3/8. So it's just different ways of doing fractions. And we also have one more sheet and another one you can cut out. This shows you have 1 whole. 1 whole equals 2 halves. 1 whole equals 3/3. 1, 2, 3/3. 1 whole equals 4 quarters, and all the way down to eighths. So more fun things to do. And I cut mine apart. So we are going to build it. So there's the 1, the halves, the thirds. It's not going to look as nice as the sheet that's not cut apart, but that's okay. It's just a learning to show that all of these, we're on 1/5 now, so there's 5 of these 1/5 pieces, and 1/6. So actually, two 1/6 equals 1/3. So there's different ways you can play with your fractions and have fun learning. You can go to our website, and we have under e-resources fun things to do under Scholastic too, to learn different fractions and math and everything. So we also will have some fun little treat in the kit that you can just have fun to play with. So I hope you had fun learning about counting coins and fractions, and make sure you practice at home with it. You can even use real money if your parents will give you some real money to count the coins. I think it's more fun when you use real money. And you can do fractions with a lot of stuff. You can take a piece of cookie, take a whole cookie, cut it in half, give your mom half and you can have half. And if you have a sister and brother, you can take a whole cookie again, cut it in half, and then cut those pieces in half so you have quarters. One piece of cookie for all four of you, so that's 1/4 of a cookie for everybody. Okay, I'll see you next time. Hope you had fun. Bye.